What it do, guys? Welcome back to one of the videos. Today I'm actually going to teach you guys how to chrome delete your car with these easy steps. Let's go. What you're going to need is your wrap, a squeegee, a wrap glove, and a knife, and painter's tape. Alright, once you get all your stuff, you just want to do this. I didn't want to record it. It's pretty simple. Just mask it out, because when the wrap does hit the tape, it's a little bit easier because the car is kind of cold, so it gets harder to take off. So just mask it all out, just like that. And let's go to the next step. All right, and when you're done, you just want to clean your surroundings.
Bad boy.
So this is how it kind of looks like that. I had to go do a quick errand, but I will be right back to help you guys how to finish everything. So I'm about to do this outside. So if you don't have a garage, you can still do this outside. Pretty easy. And let's get right to it. So what do you want to do? The exact same steps you did for up here, you just do out here. And yeah, let's go.
Kenneth English.
Alright, so this was the easy part. The hard part's a little bit back here, because the proper way that you're supposed to do it is take off the mirror. But I don't feel like taking it off right now, so I'm kind of lazy. So we're just going to do this section and this section all separate. And on the next video, I'm going to be changing these to LED. So yeah, watch out for that. And let me go ahead and just finish this up. Alright, so once you get this whole section done, just push it all down either with your finger or with the squeegee. I just have a little bit more right there to cut off. And this side's done, and then after that, just move to this section, because down here no one can really see it, because the right way you want to take this whole thing off. But yeah, let's go ahead and go. That's how it looks. All right, stay tuned for the next video.